Your YouTube analytics are so important for growing your channel. Like they have over 4.5 million subscribers. This is Stephen Scher and Grace, and they've done an amazing job of reaching millions of people and by studying analytics. It's not just all what you see on the fun and games on the outside. There's a lot that goes in behind the scenes, and they're gonna share that with you guys here, what they do, so that you guys can find success as well. It's coming up. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer. Welcome to Video Creators. We're all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people, changes their lives, gets them sharing love everywhere they go, right? So, yeah. And your analytics is a really important tool that you guys use. So talk about your retention graphs. What do you guys look for and how do you use those?
Analytics are a big factor into kind of how we figure out how a video performed, why it didn't perform, and how we can get future videos to continue to perform. Audience retention is something we look at a lot. That basically shows kind of where the viewers are engaging within your video. Are they dropping off at certain points? Are they staying around? Are they coming back and repeating certain sections to kind of see like what that was about? Audience retention is probably one of the most important YouTube tools that you can use. And we use that to kind of figure out how we plan our next content. You know, if there's a certain section in the video where we kind of find that, oh, it looks like there's a little spike in the audience retention here, people must be going back, what is that? Well, we kind of jump back into the video and say, oh, well, in this certain section, they must have been really engaged with this dog that came running in the background. Well, maybe in the next video, we'll include that dog in the video and we'll kind of address who the dog is and where the dog lives and a little background about the dog. We'll kind of build that up and up and up.
When you look at your retention graphs, Grace, what are some of the, what's the main thing that you see, this leads to abandonment, and we learn from our graphs we need to stop doing this?
One huge thing is when our content no longer relates to the thumbnails or the titles, and that's just like a huge no-no. You want to keep your content always at a high level, matching with your thumbnail and your title.
Especially in the opening 15 seconds.
Grace, I don't know, this place is huge. I don't know how we're ever gonna find it.
I don't know, you just have to keep looking, Steve.
Oh, hey, Shares, what's going on? So you saw in last vlog that the Game Master broke into our Share Fam house, hacked our control center computer room, and left some top secret Lego clue, which led us here to Legoland in California, where we can train at the Ninjago Hidden Temple and learn the best ninja skills ever.
And then what happens too, like, have you guys noticed like anything at the end of your videos? Like if you're like, you know, I've found like on our family vlogs, we drag it out too long.
Yeah, we used to drag it out to the end, but recently we've started to cut it right at the end of our high volume content.
I wonder if we set off another alarm, like maybe they saw that we were up there.
Come on, quick, let's go check the footage.
Yeah, let's check.
Okay, Shares, we're gonna head downstairs. Stay tuned for next vlog where we check the security footage and see who's been coming in and out of the house. We gotta figure out how we can trap this person.
Yeah, hopefully we can trap them.
We'll see you tomorrow, so until then, you know what to do. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace.
Woo.
Who is that?
Right in the climax, like boom, get them into another video and screen comes on, as opposed to like, see you guys, hope you have fun, talk to you later, make sure you subscribe, pound the like or smash the like button, blah, blah, blah. And by that time people are like gone, right? And they're not even there anymore to watch the next video. There's a lot in your analytics you can learn. You should absolutely be studying your audience retention graphs, but real-time analytics can make a huge difference too, which is maybe something you haven't considered. Click that video you see on your screen, gonna go on to video number 8 and talk about the impact that real-time analytics, studying that can make on growing your channel.